Hello everybody. Today I'm interviewing Linh Thai. When I first met Linh about 5 years ago, 3-4 years ago, she was starting up her own fashion brand here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. And she's evolved over the years from one couture to stitch appeal, and now her company is called Rita Phil. And her unique selling point is that she designs custom-made tailor skirts, to fit your curves. So tell us about your background. How did you get into the garment industry? Or fashion?
Yeah, well, I mean, if you go really far back into the history, my mom was a seamstress when I was growing up. And so she taught me how to sew when I was, I guess, 10. You know, I was tall enough to reach the pedals on a sewing machine. And I was sewing for her. She used to kind of do mass sewing, when she would take it home and kind of take care of me while I was growing up, while she was sewing in the side bedroom. So I would start sewing, and I was sewing throughout high school and even in college. Sometimes I'd come home on the weekends and help her finish up. So I know how to sew and use the merger machine and kind of do very basic things, but I'd never done patterns. I'd never actually cut fabric. So then I spent about 20 years of my life doing the corporate thing. And then after landing here, this tailoring kind of restarted, right? Because getting your own tailored clothes is very common. And then I guess starting the business, it kind of seemed like a natural fit. But actually, at the time when I started the One Couture, I was getting married. And so I'd identified the problem of wedding dresses, right? They're very expensive, and you want to get what you want in terms of the style, right? And that's where we started was, I thought that I could solve a very tangible problem for brides in the US. But we ran into a few issues down that path. So now we're doing pencil skirts.
Cool. So check out ritaphil.com. You can also contact Linh directly, and in the text below the video, we'll have her contact information. So thank you, Linh, very much for coming today and sharing with us, and good luck with the business.
Great, thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure.
Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality controlled checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.